Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Anak ni Vic Soto at Pauline Luna na si Tali Soto kinanta ang How Far I'll Go. Napaka-espesyal ng tagpong ito sa paaralan ni Tali Soto, kung saan nagbigay siya ng isang nakakaantig na pag-awit. Bago pa man magsimula si Tali, inamin ni Pauline na siya ay pinagpawisan ng husto at halos manghina ang kanyang mga tuhod dahil sa kaba at excitement para sa kanyang anak. Ngunit nang magsimula na si Tali na umawit, tila nawala lahat ng kaba. Pinatunayan ni Tali ang kanyang talento at confidence sa harap ng maraming tao. Ang kanyang pag-awit ay puno ng kasiyahan at sigla, na nagpapakita kung gaano siya kasuporta at naaalagaan ng kanyang pamilya. Talagang nakaka-proud ang ganitong tagpo, hindi lang para kay Pauline at Vic Soto kundi para rin sa lahat ng mga magulang na nakikita ang tagumpay ng kanilang mga anak. Narito at ating panuurin ang kabuuan ng video.
Hi everyone! I've been staring at you all always I can remember never knowing why I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, and we long to be. See the sun is shining to see, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. The wind of my sail on the sea stays behind me, one thing I know, if I go there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on the side seems so happy on the side. Everything's fine and fine. I know everybody on the side. I don't go on the side. Everything's fine. I can make it right, I can make it strong. I'm kind of fine, and I play along. But the voice inside me is different. What is wrong with me? See the light and the shine, but the sea, it's rising, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's falling underneath, so come find me and let me know. Be gone now, find one cross out, and see the one with shining to see. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. So when we still have the sea stay behind me, one thing I know, how far